Another way of organizing your email messages within any folder is to assign them a category. For example, I have an email here from Carrie Heffernan that I assigned the business category, and to assign them categories you can do it one of two ways. First of all, you can do it manually one at a time by coming over here in the categories column and right-clicking on any one of these emails, like this one right here, getting a list of categories. If you don't like any of them, then you can of course go down here and select all categories. And we already covered this in a previous training video. Selecting them, renaming them, creating a new one, deleting them. In any case, once you select the one you like, go ahead and check it, click OK, and you're done. And then to remove it, you can just go ahead and right-click on it and say Clear All Categories. As a side note, there's a quicker way to set your categories if you want a quick click. In other words, anytime you click in here, it automatically assigns it a category, and it's going to have to be a default category. To do that, just go ahead and right-click on any one of the emails in the category column and go down to set your quick click. By default, it says that no category is assigned anytime I click within the category column here on any one of these email messages. But if I go ahead and say anytime I click there, I want it to be a red category and click OK, all I have to do is go ahead and click and it assigns it red. Okay, that's the quick click. Right-click to clear it and right-click to clear it. I'm going to go ahead and right-click and set my quick click to not automatically start assigning everybody red, but say no category and click OK. Now that's one way, manually right-clicking on each email and assigning it a category. The other way you can do it is using the Rules Wizard, as we just learned in the two previous training videos. Anytime we get an email message from a specific user, like Carrie, let's say we always want to assign her the category of business. So to do that, come up here, click on the Tools menu, go down to Rules and Alerts. Click on the New Rule button here on the Emails Rule tab. Then come down here, we want to start from a blank rule and select Check Messages when they arrive and click Next. Then up at the top in Step 1, choose a list down below of one of the conditions. We're going to say if it's from people or a distribution list, and then down below in Step 2 define the people. And then up at the top in Step 1, we're going to select a condition. If it comes from a specific person or people or distribution list. And then down below in Step 2, we want to click on the link to define that person or distribution list. Click on it. And we're going to say it's Carrie, double-click to add her down below and click OK. So anytime we get an email, check to see if it's from Carrie, then click Next. And then if it is from Carrie, the action we want to perform is to be able to assign it to the category. Once we check it down below in Step 2, we need to click on the link to define what that category is. And we'll say it's always business and click OK. Now if you made a mistake, you can always go back and click on the link here. And let's uncheck business and let's create a new category. Click New and we'll type in. So anytime we get an email message from Carrie, it's the category of HR. Click on the drop down arrow. I'm going to choose color. I can use the same colors as the ones already listed here. In fact, when I click OK, you can see I've got red for human resources and I've got red for the red category. Probably would have been easier to just select this and rename it and type something else in and then hit enter. Probably would have been easier, instead of creating an additional red category, changing this one, renaming it to human resources. Or in fact, let's rename it here and then hit enter. So we have two different categories assigned to the same color red, which is fine. Go ahead and click OK. Click Next. Are there any exceptions except if it contains specific words? No. Click Next. And then up at the top where it says Specify Name for this rule, you can say Carrie Heffernan Category. And then do I want to run this on messages currently in the inbox? Go ahead and check the box. So two things will happen. First of all the messages in the inbox will automatically be marked this category that we just created in the Rules Wizard here. And then second of all, any emails that come in after we click Finish will also be affected by this rule here. Click Finish, click OK, click OK. And there we go. All the email messages that are in the inbox here, automatically it applied the category Human Resources to anything that came from Carrie. And like I said, any emails that come in will also have the Rules Wizard apply the category to it. Double click to open it up and the category colors the whole top part here. Makes it really hard to miss, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.